This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Auxiliary drive belt replacement, Petrol. Operate the bonnet release lever, which is located in the driver's footwell. Release the bonnet security catch by lifting it upwards, then raise the bonnet. Unclip the bonnet prop. Locate the prop to hold the bonnet securely in its open position. Select first gear. Chock the rear wheels. Remove the wheel trims. Use the supplied adapter to slacken the wheel bolts. Note the mark indicating the jacking point. Position a piece of split hose as shown to protect the sill. Raise the vehicle using a jack. Position axle stands. Lower the vehicle onto the stands, then remove the jack. Remove the piece of hose from the sill. Undo the bolts. Remove the right-hand front wheel. To improve access, unclip the evap canister and move it to the side. You need to lock the tensioner into position before you can remove the belt. These two holes must align before you can lock the tensioner. Use a spanner on the lug provided and turn the tensioner clockwise. Lock the tensioner in its released position by inserting an Allen key or a drill bit through the lug into the tensioner body. Note how the drive belt is routed, then remove it from the crankshaft pulley, alternator pulley and air conditioning compressor pulley. Locate the new drive belt on the pulleys. Check that the belt is located correctly in the multi-grooves in the pulleys. Then release the tensioner. After the tensioner has been released, check again that the belt is seated correctly on all pulleys. Refit the evap canister, then refit the access panel in the right-hand inner wheel arch. Refit the front wheel and tighten the wheel bolts. Fit a piece of split hose to protect the sill. Jack up the vehicle. Remove the axle stands, lower the vehicle and remove the jack. Torque the wheel bolts. Refit the wheel trims. Remove the chocks from the rear wheels and don't forget to remove the piece of split hose from the sill at the jacking point. Remove the bonnet prop from the bonnet. Clip the prop into its stay. Lower the bonnet and close it securely.